Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel in another video. In this video, I am making gong art, which is another very traditional Indian folk art. And today, I am going to make tree of life, which is having trees, birds, animals, and this shows life full of happiness and joy and contains deep symbolism. If you like the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel for such videos and tutorials. If you want any art tutorial, you can let me know in the comment section. First of all, simply I have painted the tree in plain colors. The combination of burnt sienna and burnt umber. And after that, in the second layering, we are going to do the rest of the work or the designing. Here I am using poster colors. You can use gouache and as well as the watercolors also, but traditionally it is painted in poster colors because they are opaque and we can turn the designing part easily. We can use light colors on the dark ones and even dark ones on the light ones. You can choose any of the color scheme for your painting. as they use bright and vibrant colors which will enhance your painting. So you can use contrast colors also. Hope you liked the video.